Hello everyone, welcome to Sichuan Baolida Brew House. And now, let me my colleague Frank to introduce our company.
Hi guys, this is Frank, and today we will go to the factory to introduce our service and manufacturing process. Okay, let's go. Hello guys, this is our office building. We are working here for domestic sales and abroad sales for the foreign trade. And this building, so five floors, which is our develop and engineering for the greenhouse manufacturing solutions. So let's take a look about that building is our workers, the living area. So let's take a look about the warehouse manufacturing area. Let's take a look. So this one is a new warehouse that we are building this year, and the older one behind of it, and the new warehouse we are going to put in more production line and inventory as well. Let's take a look. There guys, so for this area, this is the sample test rolling machine. We have a worker, so that is the worker there. Adjusting machine, rolling the pipes for those areas. So this area is the inventory of already made pipes. It is ready to shape, ready to deliver to our customers. Okay, take a look here. So now you see those are the pipes that we are inventorying here. These are the straight pipes, which is already made with different sizes, lengths, diameters. Okay, take a look here. So this area is the pipe production line. Constant needle pipe. Take a look here. So this is the production line of the ring gutter that we make like 200 units production capacity for 1 day. So this is the gutter with the film clips. With the film clips here, the detail that we are designing. Galvanized steel, corrosion, anti-rust. So this is the film clips production channel. So to the 3D profile. So these are the already made film clips, galvanized steel. We also provide aluminum. We also provide aluminum film clips as well. We have two options. So from the raw material to the